Hello everyone, welcome to In Conversation series with Dr. Ved Rana. Today our guest is from economics background and she is none other than Miss Siloni Uppal. Siloni cleared PCS 2015 as well as PCS 2018 exam and she secured positions in both of this examination. And she also appeared in UPSC interview in 2018. But it takes lot of courage and hard work to crack this state services or UPSC examination, but it needs another kind of, you could say, a temperament to opt out of service when you have to follow or pursue your golden dreams. So first of all, thank you Simone for
Thank you,
coming.
sir. Thank you for having me.
So first of all, I would like to ask, because this is a question, because lot of students spend years preparing for state services, especially PCS,
Yes.
and success rate is almost at odds. But you cracked it twice, but you are still have not opted for it. So what was the key reason to opt out of the state services?
Sir, so I have been very passionate to be an educator and to help the students who are already preparing. So I thought that I can do that better, and like if I am a civil servant, I'm the only one who will be affecting lives. But if I can help others to come forward and be the civil servant, so I think they can make a lot of change. So that was my motivation.
Academically, you were among the toppers in 10th and 12th. You have over 95%.
Yes.
And then you did your economics from the top colleges, Shri Ram College, which has a distinction of being the best college. So where did you felt that you have to prepare for civil services, and then did you decide that economics is the career which you want to opt for? Because currently you are financial analyst and you are quite confident about handling the economic issues.
So while I was in my third year, so Sriram College has a lot of companies coming over for the placements. So the first company that came was Deloitte, and I got placed with them. But by the end of the third year, I realized that no, I don't want to take forward this corporate career, and I want to do something very different, which was civil services. There was no one हमारे कॉलेज में ऐसा ट्रेंड भी नहीं था सर कि स्टूडेंट सिविल सर्विसेज की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. मेरे आसपास कोई फ्रेंड्स भी नहीं मान रहे थे उस टाइम पर. बट फिर आई वांटेड टू डू दिस एंड आई वांटेड टू परस्यू माय ड्रीम. सो मैंने वो ड्रॉप कर दिया. मैं एक दिन भी ज्वाइन नहीं करा Deloitte एंड साथ ही प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दी.
Okay, now lot of students are preparing for upcoming UPSC prelims as well as state services. So they would like to hear something how they should go about economics preparation. Well, that was your core area in which you did exceptionally well. Can you share your own strategy?
Okay, so sir, economics I think is something which is very logical subject. तो उसमें if you are very clear about the concepts, it's very easy to answer the questions. तो तीन चार चीज़ें which you should keep in mind. First, I think the conceptual part should be very strong. So when you are reading the newspapers or you are reading anything related to economics, and if you come across certain terms which you don't understand, just Google them, because I think जो बेसिक उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जैसे बेसिक टर्म्स हो गए इन्फ्लेशन से रिलेटेड, मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी, रेपो रेट, रिवर्स रेपो रेट. सो पहला तो कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Secondly, current affairs are very important both for prelims as well as for mains. जैसे कि recent schemes आ रही है गवर्नमेंट की, या what is happening in the economy, where is our economy going, what was the effect of COVID on our economy. तो इन सब चीज़ों पे फोकस करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड सर thirdly, I feel that budget and economic survey form an intrinsic part of the economics की preparation. So for me, while I was preparing economic survey, मैं हर बार खुद से पूरा पढ़ती थी. And I found that really interesting. Like when you're writing the answers for mains, so they provide you a lot of data which you can use it, and that is the government's data. So nothing better than that to substantiate your answers. So I think these three things are very important. And apart from that, for me, I used to make my own notes, handmade notes from the newspapers, from whatever sources I was referring to. तो वो जब एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले टाइम नहीं होता सर, like you just have few hours to read through the things. So I think your own जो notes होते हैं they come very handy at that time.
We can say there are no shortcut to success.
Yeah,
you have to grade yourself. And coming from current issue, because I recall when you appeared for the mock interview, you had mentioned preparing for contemporary issues, shopping as well as sketching as your hobbies.
Yes.
So are they still there after 3 years? Because I guess it's been 3 years. So are you still sticking with those 3 hobbies?
Yes, sir. I'm still sticking with it.
But was the last sketch you made?
So that was like a scenery of a rural area.
Wow.
Yeah, so that is.
And coming to contemporary issues, there's a lot of controversies going around about bitcoins.
Yes, sir.
So as an economist, how do you see it? Should India allow these cryptocurrencies, or regulation is the only way, or banning is the correct way forward?
Sir, I think that's something very upcoming. तो ban तो नहीं हो सकता. मतलब that is something which is, and you cannot recognize. It's very early to recognize it as a legal currency. So I think regulation is the right way to go forward right now. क्योंकि it is spreading and people are interested. Like मेरे को as an investor कितने लोग कॉल करके पूछते हैं कि कौन से बिटकॉइन में लगाए या इथेरियम में लगाए. I have not invested because I find it very volatile. But I think regulation is the way
Regulation is
forward.
the way forward. Okay, any final tips to motivate students who are preparing for upcoming prelims from your side? Any motivational quote or you feel go for, to keywords which you feel in the final?
Again, I think you have to be very confident, very positive, and very consistent. Persistence and perseverance is the way forward. I mean, there will be days when you'll feel low, but then you have to pick yourself up and move forward because you have to keep the larger picture in mind. So, all the best to all the preparing aspirants, and you'll do really great.
So thank you everyone for your time. Have a nice day.